Hi guys and welcome back. It's your girl Hanifa and today we are doing a unboxing video of things that I've just recently purchased on Amazon for my crochet hobbies and crafts. So you get to see what I bought and some of the things that I actually really need. So in the video I'm just goofing about and really getting ready to do the unboxing. So don't mind me. I'm just like literally having the time of my life because it's my birthday. Yeah, so here is we're opening the first box and it has my Colgate in it, so my toothpaste and my go-to cream that I use. I used to use Vaseline. I was a Vaseline girl, but now I have moved to better and bigger things. Like, oh, my CeraVe cream is the best. That lotion, it is good. But yeah, so that's what I use, and then we're just like gonna move on to the next part. So box number 2, here we go. Again, Amazon is the best. Like, you get everything delivered the next day, so you don't have to wait for that long. So stay tuned, let's keep going. And guys, like, you can see me in the video that I'm talking, but what happened was I had my microphone on and I thought I was genuinely talking in the video. It turns out I was not. I was talking, but my microphone was off. So I've had to do a voiceover just to get just to give you guys a snippet of what we're doing or what we're unboxing, so you know. But yeah, so box number 2 had my crochet wool or yarn, but it was not what I expected. I honestly expected, like, I don't know, acrylic cotton. I didn't expect this kind of like velvet looking teddy bear kind of yarn. I've never used this type of yarn before and I don't even know how to start or what kind of project I could use it for. Actually, I think I've got a teddy bear looking with that similar to that kind of yarn, but it was like a bit different to this one. So I think I might be doing like a bucket hat with it, or a teddy bear or something, but I'm definitely going to use it for something. It's not going to go to waste. But it's the further I saw it, and I wanted the red color because red is my fave, and I just wanted to combine it with the next lot, which is the cream or off-white color that you'll see soon. Of course, I had to get my new batches of toothbrushes. Comment below and let us know how often are you changing your toothbrushes, because yeah, I think ideally should be every 3 months to change your toothbrushes. But yeah, how old were you when you found out that you have to change every 3 months? Let me know. So yeah, that's my granny square book. I needed to buy one because I'm tired of like going on to like YouTube every single time just to find a granny square stitch, and everyone does their granny square stitch differently. Like, the counts of going into the corners are completely different, which just gets my dyslexic mind going. So to just make everything a lot more smoother and easier for myself, I got myself a book to help me with some of the tricks of the granny square stitch. And so for those of you that don't do crochet, I'm sorry, but if you know anything about crochet, there's so many different stitches that you could do. And right now I have learned a few stitches, but my favorite stitches are double crochet, half double crochet and single crochet. So any of the work that you've seen me do, mainly those have been the ones I've been doing. Now I am into doing the granny square stitch. I've struggled with that one, I'm not gonna lie, because I hate the magic ring. I absolutely detest the magic ring, but I've got a hang of it. And honestly, the best resource you can do for your crochet or for any business at all, or anything you're trying to do in life, is like do your research and get like sources that will help you. Like YouTube has helped me when it comes to my crochet journey. So yeah, we're opening up some more yarn. and clearly my face tells it all. Like, I'm just in absolute joy, because there's nothing worse than you getting something and then it doesn't turn out to what your expectations were. And that was the first year that I opened the red one. It just like didn't give the vibe that it wants to be used. And then this second one, this one like just literally tells me I'm ready. Like, make a jumper out of me, make a top out of me, like make some pants out of me. I'm ready to like send myself going with this yarn. So yeah, beautiful yarn. And so this is it. So I'm just happy enjoying my yarn. So we'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to get notified for when we post again. And so we shall see you in our next video. Bye.